What's up, LNS fam? Manuel here and welcome to another video of lifestyles and sneakers. Today guys, we have another multiple sneaker unboxing, and today we're going to be unboxing 6 sneakers. Let's go! Okay guys, so as I mentioned, we are unboxing up to 6 sneakers. So these are actually super solid sneakers that I recently purchased, and we will be starting with this one. So here it is. This is our first box that we will be unboxing. So this is a Jordan sneakers, a cool Jumpman logo on the top, and it's an all black box. So let's pop the lid open, and as you can see, number 23 tissue paper all over, and here it is. Bam! Okay, so the official colorway of this sneakers is court purple, white black, violet court, and noir black. Okay, so basically this is a court purple Jordan 1 low. Here it is. So this is really nice. So as you can see, I got it from StockX. So I'm not really sure why I got it from StockX, because currently the prices of these sneakers on the resale market here in the Philippines is not that bad. I think it's about 7,000 to 9,000 pesos depending on where are you gonna get it. But for me, I think I got this roughly about 7,000 to 8,000 pesos because of the shipment and everything. But yeah, this is the court purple Jordan 1 low. So here's the other sneakers, the other pair. So the leather is really nice. I believe like last year, I think there was a court purple that they released, but that one is not in leather or not in pure leather. This one is really premium. As you can see, it's really nice. The leather quality is very nice, comparable to the court purple Jordan 1 high. So anyway, this is our first sneakers. This is the Jordan 1 low court purple. Okay guys, the next sneakers that we will be unboxing is this one. As you can see, we have another Jordan box, and this one looks like a retro box. So you have Jordan and then Air in between, and then you have the red Jumpman logo. You have a black lid and then gray on the bottom. So when we pop the lid open, you have this plastic tissue paper in black, and here it is. Bam! Okay, so this is actually it's mentioned that it's a retro, but there was nothing, or they didn't make any colorway like this before. And this is a combination of a Concords and a Breads colorway. So here it is. This is the Jordan 11 low Concords. The official colorway is white, university red, black, university rouge. Okay, so here it is. So this was actually released about 2 months ago, and I was lucky to get a pair from one of the Nike park that I visited, because it's not a restock, but it was unclaimed pairs from the previous orders, and I was lucky enough to get them on retail. So again guys, these are the Jordan 11 retro low cornbreads, or I call it cornbreads because it's a Concord and breads. Okay, so here it is. Okay guys, so up next we have these sneakers. Okay, so this one is, as you can see, a Quantum basketball sneaker. So recently, Yeezy have restocked or re-released the Quantum basketball lifestyle version, and it was released here in the Philippines about 2 weeks ago. And I again got a pair. So basically this is my third pair of this particular sneakers. I'm kind of upset though, because when I purchased the original 2 pairs that I had, the prices of these sneakers were still too high, and now because of the release of this one. But yeah, here it is. So this is my third Quantum basketball, and let's slide the box open, and bam, here it is. This is the Yeezy basketball Quantum lifestyle version. So you've seen a lot of, if you've been following our channel, you've probably seen a lot of videos about these sneakers. But if you haven't yet, please do check it out, because I had videos where I compare the Quantums and the Bariums, and then also my reviews about these sneakers. So here's the other pair. So the upper is made out of this prime knit material combination with mesh material, and on the back part you have neoprene. So basically here it is. These are the Yeezy basketball Quantums. Up next, guys, we have a very special sneakers, and I'm happy to say that this is already my personal pair. I did a review of these sneakers before, but that was not my pair, and finally I got my own pair, and here it is. Okay, so as you can see, it's a black box and you have the Kobe logo in the middle, and when you pop this lid open, you will see, bam, this is the Kobe 5 Pro Tro 5x champ. So this is definitely one of my favorite sneakers that I recently bought, but I'm not really sure if I'm gonna wear them because of this icy bottoms, because as you know, icy bottoms, they tend to get yellow easily. So here is the right pair. This is the Kobe 5 Pro Tro. Very nice. I really love this colorway, and currently now the prices of these sneakers is already at between 18,000 to 20,000 pesos. I've seen some that selling this at 15,000 pesos, but in the US or in StockX, it's the lowest that I've seen was about 300 to 400 US dollars. So basically, this is a definitely nice sneakers, Lakers colorway. I love it, and I'm gonna keep this. Not sure if I'm gonna wear them. Probably do an on feet for this sneakers because I haven't done an on feet. But outside, maybe if I'm just gonna go in the mall. But definitely, I'm not gonna wear these outdoors. Okay, so this is again the Kobe 5 Pro Tro 5x champ. Okay, guys. So up next, we have another Yeezy sneakers, and here it is. Bam! So this is the Yeezy 700, and as you know, recently Yeezy just released the Yeezy 700 V3 Azurette, and definitely I'll be doing a detailed review or closer look on these sneakers. I'm very happy to have these pair because it's been delayed, because I think this was released about 3 weeks ago and I just received it now. And I'm very excited to have it and do a comparison video between this one and the other two Yeezy 700 V3 that I have. So let's slide this box and see. This is the first time I'm ever gonna see this sneakers in person. So I'm very excited. So tissue paper, typical Yeezy tissue paper. Wow, this is really nice. This looks very nice in person. I didn't realize that it was this nice. Look at that. Look at that. Blue. Ooh. Bottom. Oh, it's yellow. The bottom is in yellow. So it actually comes with this one, this bungee cord laces, and it has an extra lace, the regular laces. So I've seen videos that you can only take this out or replace this with the regular laces by cutting this. But definitely for me, I'm not gonna be cutting this. I'm gonna be using this. I'm not gonna use the regular laces. I think I like the bungee cord laces better. So again, here it is. These are the Yeezy 700 V3 Azurette. Okay guys, so we are on our last box. So this sneakers is actually a sneakers that they haven't been released here in the Philippines. I got this through StockX as well. And I'm very happy to get a pair of these because it's a really nice sneakers, and I saved it for last because this is totally a different sneakers and you probably didn't see it yet on any other YouTubers, and you probably didn't see this yet on other YouTube channels here in the Philippines. And here it is. Bam! So as you can see, this is your regular Puma box, and would you like to guess what's the sneakers inside this Puma box? This is a very nice sneakers, and I'll give you a hint. It's a basketball sneakers, so you probably know what it is. So let's pop the lid open, and you have your regular or basic tissue paper of Puma over here. And bam! Okay, so guys, do you know what's this called? This is the RS Dreamer by J. Cole. This is the signature sneakers of J. Cole. If you don't know J. Cole is a singer, a rapper. So here it is. Wow. I'm surprised. This is really, really nice. I actually like the other colorways, like the Mario Brothers colorway and the Lakers colorway. But I wanted to get the OG colorway first. So that's why I got this pair. Bottom is like this. Wow, this is really, really nice, man. Look at that. So anyway, you can see at the back, you have Dreamer. Anyway, these are, again, the Puma RS Dreamer of J. Cole. Signature sneakers of J. Cole, very nice. I like the blend of color, yellow, purple, green, orange, and black. So it's really, really nice. Again, this is the Puma RS Dreamer. So that's it, guys. Those are the 6 sneakers that I recently purchased and unboxed for you guys today. I got the Jordan 1 Low Court Purple. I had the Jordan 11 Low Concord Breads. And then I had the Yeezy Basketball Quantum Lifestyle version. And we also unboxed the Nike Kobe 5 Pro Throw 5 rings. And then we had the Yeezy 700 V3 Azurette. And then lastly, we have these sneakers. These are the Puma RS Dreamer. Anyway, guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, this mega unboxing, another mega unboxing that we have. We have 6 sneakers. And yeah, I hope you like all the pairs that I unboxed for you guys. Anyway, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Till next time.